Starting around 31 October 2023, Dogecoin truly is exchanging at $0.068 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.05% in truly most recent 60 minutes. Doge in every practical sense has a fundamentally essentially complete market cap of $9,687,656,848, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $323,872,685, which really is very huge. This truly makes Dogecoin, Doge, kind of positioning at 9 in the digital currency market, which by and large is genuinely critical in a significant manner. In the event that you most certainly essentially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin fundamentally be somewhat worth in 2023 in an especially significant manner? Is Dogecoin a wise venture or most certainly worth purchasing in 2023, fundamentally kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking? Will Doge cost fundamentally outperform its record-breaking high, certainly genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking? These basically most certainly are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, showing that assuming you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023. What will Dogecoin in a real sense in every way that really matters be genuinely sort of worth in 2023 in a quite huge manner? Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023. As per the Dogecoin figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost really is supposed to essentially cross a very by and large normal value level of $0.093. The normal extremely least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the exceptionally current year ought to fundamentally be $0.089 in an extremely significant manner. Besides, Doge can essentially arrive at a truly greatest value level of $0.098 in a genuinely enormous manner in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin truly is supposed to explicitly be at around a genuinely least of $0.072, or so they explicitly especially thought. Dogecoin cost can basically arrive at a very limit of $0.082, with the very truly normal cost of $0.080 in United States dollars, which certainly is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value expectation September 2023. The cost of Dogecoin truly is certainly anticipated to basically reach at a kind of genuinely least worth of $0.080 in September 2023, which entirely all plans and purposes shows that this by and large in every practical sense makes Dogecoin, Doge, especially positioning at 9 in the digital money market, which truly is genuinely huge. In opposition to mainstream thinking, the Doge cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a fundamentally genuinely most extreme worth of $0.085, with the kind of exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $0.083 all through 2023, which in a real sense basically is very critical. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation October 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.082 and $0.089, or so they truly thought, in spite of mainstream thinking. While the sort of truly normal exchanging cost ought to fundamentally be around $0.086, or so they in every practical sense, all things considered, thought. Dogecoin value expectation November 2023. The cost of Dogecoin explicitly is fundamentally basically anticipated to essentially especially reach at a really least worth of $0.086 in November 2023 in an essentially enormous way in a significant manner. The Doge cost could really arrive at an exceptionally most extreme worth of $0.093, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $0.089 all through 2023, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Dogecoin by and large is in a real sense really anticipated to explicitly reach at a kind of least worth of $0.089 in December 2023 in an especially significant way. The Doge cost could especially for the most part arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $0.098, with the especially fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $0.093 all through 2023. Dogecoin fundamentally passed value examination in every practical sense, especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically generally has been really diminished by 0.35% in its especially extremely current worth in an unobtrusive manner, which is genuinely critical. Assuming we basically analyze the very current market cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, which truly is genuinely critical. From very most recent 7 days, the Doge in every practical sense was in fundamentally great vertical pattern and expanded by 2.77%, so Dogecoin cost can generally arrive at a decently genuinely limit of $0.082, with the all things considered, especially normal cost of $0.080 in United States dollars, or so they for the most part thought. Dogecoin by and large has shown extremely major areas of strength for lovely potential of late. And this could be decent an open door to fundamentally dive right in and contribute, quite in spite of mainstream thinking in an unpretentious way. Inside the by and large most certainly most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge in a real sense diminished by 27.963%, killing an incredible for the most part extremely normal amount of $0.027 from its fundamentally genuinely current worth, or so they basically by and large thought. This unexpected down essentially implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a kind of good truly purchase an open door for truly speedy venture. The 90 days cost change truly is near 20.81%, and the cost coursed from an actually by and large least for the most part normal cost of $0.085 to sort of really greatest kind of normal cost of $0.088 in the kind of beyond 90 days, or so they truly thought, which is very critical. Dogecoin generally is somewhere near 4.31%, with the really greatest kind of typical cost of the coin sort of was around $0.076, and the pretty in every practical sense, least sort of normal cost of basically was around $0.073 in certainly beyond 4 months in a decently kind of significant manner. Dogecoin value gauge 2023 facts. What will be Dogecoin really worth in 2023, which in a real sense sort of is very huge. The Doge cost explicitly in every way that really matters is gauged to for the most part arrive at a very greatest degree of $0.098, with genuinely least cost of $0.089 toward the finish of 2023, which explicitly is very huge, all things considered. In opposition to prevalent thinking. Does Dogecoin essentially have a future in an unpretentious manner? As far as value, Dogecoin by and large has an exceptional certainly potential to sort of arrive at new levels, which shows that while the pretty really normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part generally be around $0.086, which especially is very critical. It for the most part is figure that Doge will increment in esteem in an especially significant way in an unpretentious manner. As per by and large genuinely unambiguous specialists and business experts, Doge